The fashion world witnessed seismic shifts this year, with legendary farewells, groundbreaking debuts, and headline-grabbing dramas. From the departure of an iconic designer to the meteoric rise of fresh talents, this year was a kaleidoscope of transformative moments. Here's a look at 5 names that defined the year in style. November 1 marked the end of an era as the fashion world bid a heartfelt farewell to Rohit Bal, India's undisputed maestro of luxury design. Renowned for his ability to fuse the opulence of Indian textiles with modern aesthetics, Bal's creations were nothing short of poetry in motion. His passing left an irreplaceable void, but his timeless legacy will continue to inspire designers and fashion lovers for decades to come. Tyagi cemented her status as 2024's breakout star with her dazzling debut at the Cannes Film Festival. Her ethereal pink red carpet gown, a masterpiece of innovation and craftsmanship, took the fashion world by storm. Now a global darling, Tyagi represents the new wave of designers reshaping the industry with fearless creativity. Not all headlines were celebratory. Nicholas Peuch, heir of the Hermes empire, stunned the world with a tale straight out of a soap opera. After vowing to leave a significant portion of his $13 billion fortune to his gardener, Peuch later claimed his wealth had mysteriously vanished, implicating his former financial manager. The saga left everyone shocked. Then we have Shalini Passi, who turned heads and captured hearts this year with her starring role in Fabulous Lives vs. Bollywood Vibes. A true patroness of art and fashion, Passi's fearless, theatrical looks and refreshingly authentic personality made her a standout star in an industry often known for pretense. If 2024 belonged to anyone, it was Shalini. When Mona Patel stepped onto the Met Gala red carpet wearing a show-stopping couture gown, she did not just make an entrance, she made history. Patel's bold and stunning interpretation of the theme helped her cement her status as a modern-day style icon. Expect to see her name dominating fashion's most exclusive circles for years to come. And that's a wrap. Do you have any more game changers to add? Drop their names in the comments and keep watching Shosha for more.